Ready?
Hello everyone, YouTube Dangerous and today is
Hammer at the construction site.
oh sweetie. The berries is small, as you know. Here's a glass mirror, as you know.
A demolition machine pulls down an old building, then a new one can be built. Bang. Thud. Crash. A wrecking ball swings through the air and smashes into the wall. Here comes the bulldozer to clear the site so work can begin. Roar. Clatter. The bulldozer's huge blade pushes rubble out the way.
Wow, that's the sound of a crash.
Machines called jackhammers break up hard ground by hitting it. Construction workers also use handheld jackhammers. A road roller rumbles back and forth over the new road. Rumble, rumble. The heavy drum flattens the surface to make ready for the vehicles. Here comes a dump truck with a heavy load. Whoosh, whoosh. The bed lifts up and the dirt tumbles out of the back. Backhoes and loaders creak and clank as their buckets move up and down. Creak, clank. The front bucket shoves up piles of rubble. The small bucket can dig deep holes. Rattle, clatter. An excavator moves some dirt excavators move over bumpy ground caterpillar tracks. The big teeth on the bucket bite through the hard ground. The cement mixer arrives. Its drum turns to keep the wet concrete from setting. Slop, slop, slop. The concrete pours out. In a few hours, it will be hard as rock.
Last,
A delivery truck arrives on the site carrying a load of construction materials. It gives a warning sound as it backs up to position. Beep, 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 beep. A crane towers overhead and slowly lifts and swings things into place. Whir, whir. The construction worker signals to the crane operator from the ground.
and how this.
The end.
Look, that's a lady. That's girls. Okay. Things about this very that's alright guys. This was it guys. See you next time.